Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read the most mystic kingdom legends. Well, let's get started. The kingdom has a long and rich history, full of secrets and hidden stories. One of the most intriguing is the legend of the lost treasure of the medieval kings. According to the tale, the kings of the kingdom buried a huge treasure trove of gold, jewels, and other precious items in a secret location to protect it from invaders. Many people have searched for the treasure over the centuries, but it has never been found. Some say that it is cursed, and whoever finds it will be doomed to a life of bad luck and misfortunes. Another secret history of the kingdom is the story of the mysterious castle on the hill. The castle was built in the 12th century, and it was said to be haunted by the ghosts of the murdered royal family who once lived there. People claim to have seen the ghostly figures wandering the castle's halls at night, and strange noises and lights were reported, but the truth behind the haunting remains a mystery. Many also say that there was once a secret society formed by noblemen and women who had aspirations to overthrow the monarchy. The group was said to have had many influential members, including members of the royal family. But the society was discovered and many of its members were arrested, executed, or exiled. The society's records and symbols have been destroyed, and knowledge of its existence is now only passed down through oral tradition. There are also rumors about a hidden underground passageway that runs beneath the palace, which was once used by the royalty for secret escape in case of an invasion or rebellion. The passage is said to lead to a secret exit in the countryside where a carriage would be waiting to take the royalty to safety, but its existence has never been confirmed, and it remains one of the many mysteries of the kingdom. The kingdom also has a dark side, which is the story of the witch trials. In the 17th century, the kingdom was gripped by fear and paranoia about witches and devil worship. Many people were falsely accused and convicted of witchcraft and were subsequently tortured and executed. It was later revealed that many of the accusations were motivated by personal vendettas and greed. In general, the kingdom holds many hidden and secret stories. Some of them may be true, and some of them may be just legends passed down through time. But the one thing that is for certain is that it makes the kingdom's history even more fascinating and mysterious. The secrets and hidden stories of the kingdom have captivated people for centuries and continue to be a source of intrigue and fascination. They serve as a reminder of the kingdom's rich and complex past and how much still remains to be discovered and uncovered. One of the most interesting and mysterious stories in the kingdom's history is the story of the Phantom Bandit. This legendary figure was said to have been a skilled thief who operated in the kingdom during the 19th century. He was known for his daring heists and his ability to evade capture. The Phantom Bandit was said to have been able to infiltrate even the most heavily guarded buildings and steal valuables without being detected. Many people claim to have seen the Phantom Bandit, but no one was ever able to catch him. The authorities offered a large reward for his capture, but despite their efforts, the Phantom Bandit remained at large. Some say that he retired and lived a peaceful life, while others believe that he was killed in one of his heists, but no one knows for sure what happened to him. Another secret story that surrounds the kingdom is the story of the Forbidden City. It was said that there was a hidden city deep in the forest that was built by a group of outcasts and exiles who sought to create a utopia. The city was said to have had advanced technology and a harmonious society, but it was forbidden for outsiders to enter. Many have searched for the city, but it has never been found. Some say that it was just a myth, while others believe that it still exists, hidden away from the rest of the world. In addition to that, there is a story that tells of a cursed graveyard located on the outskirts of the kingdom. The graveyard is said to be home to a powerful witch who was buried there after her execution. It is said that anyone who enters the graveyard will be cursed with misfortune and bad luck. People have reported feeling a sense of unease and hearing strange noises when they approach the graveyard, leading many to believe that the curse is real. Overall, the kingdom holds many secrets and hidden stories that add depth and mystery to its rich history. From lost treasures to haunted castles, forbidden cities to cursed graveyards, these stories continue to capture the imagination of people and serve as a reminder of the kingdom's fascinating past. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.